Hi everyone, welcome to LangChain AI Agent Project, where we are going to build and deploy real AI agent on remote AWS server. If you have ever wondered how to move from simple chatbot to real AI agent that can think, use tool, remember information, and even take action, you are at the right place. This course is not about just theory alone. This is hands-on project-driven journey where you will build real AI agents step by step and deploy them in production-like environment. By the end of this course, you will know how to build AI agents that can use tool, access API, use MCP server, manage memory, follow the guardrail, call external services, and run real-world services. We are going to build something like this where we will be chatting with our AI agent with chat UI. You will be getting the answer, something like this, where you ask, like, summarize my last 5 email, or you ask any question related to stock market or anything. You are going to get the output, something like this. Other than that, I'll be also telling you how you can build a chat UI using the Streamlit application as well. All these are going to be your personal assistant. I'll be showing you how you can deploy these in your local computer, in WSL environment, and also at a remote server like AWS server. It is not just going to limit it to just AWS server. You can deploy it on any kind of the server. We will be building all these throughout this particular course. And remember, we are starting it from the scratch. And also remember, if you get stuck somewhere, I'm always here to help you. You can always ask that in the Q&A section. I have been helping a student before, and I'll be also helping you as well. I have helped 100,000 students at least before. I'll be also more than happy to help you as well. We will get started with basic, where I'll be explaining you here how agent works, how model works, or how LLM model works. All of these I'll be explaining you through the block diagram. I'll be explaining all these block diagram. In fact, I'll be building all these block diagram live. When I'm teaching, I'll be building all these. As you scroll it down, you can see all of these here. As I move ahead in the course, everything I'll be explaining through the block diagram. Let's go ahead and see in the code that what you are going to learn. I have prepared here a lot of the infographic so that you can understand that how your agent is gonna work. We start with very basic, where I'll be talking about how you can get started with the Gemini model, how you can get started with the LangChain. Thereafter, I'll be moving toward the agents fundamental, where I'll talking about the basics of the agent, tools, configuration, agentic memory, streaming, middleware, guardrail, prompt engineering, and so much more. You are really going to master agentic AI by the end of the part 2. In the part 3, we are going to talk about the AI project. We are going to build here so many AI projects, and all these projects are real world AI project. I'll be talking through the MCP block diagram. I'll be explaining you each and every step. I'll be doing live coding so that you can understand that how each line is written, how each line is producing the final output. I'll be also talking about the agent security as well. Agent security is really very important. If you deploy your agent in the production, you have to make sure you avoid any kind of the catastrophic action or catastrophic event. You need to make sure that your agent is secure. Finally, I'll be talking that how you can deploy your agent in the production. At the end of this course, I'll be also talking about one real world project as well, although all these are also real world project, but this is something which you can utilize immediately in your company. This is related to MySQL agent, where I'll be showing you how you can build a project which can connect with the MySQL server, a MySQL remote server. I'll be also showing you how you can host e-commerce data on a free MySQL server so that you can connect your agent and you can ask questions related to MySQL data. As you see here, I have asked a lot of the question related to that. I got all these answers. It is not just limited to that. I'll be also showing you here that how you can create a PDF report. It is going to look like something this, where you ask a question and then your agent is going to generate a detailed PDF report. You can ask any question related to finance. It is going to get the answer from your given Google Drive. It is going to get the answer from the Google Sheet if you provide access to your Google Sheet. Otherwise, it is going to get it from the Yahoo Finance MCP server, or whatever details or whatever data source you provide. It is going to take that as the input, and then it is going to finally generate here a PDF report. You see, all these PDF report I generated using the AI agent itself. As you follow the course, you are going to see all these, that how you can generate all of these. Believe me, by the end of this particular course, you are really going to learn a lot of skills in AI agentic projects, and you will be able to deploy your own AI agentic project on any kind of the server. I have one request to you. Please do not forget to leave your feedback and rating of this particular course. And remember, if you do not like this course, you don't need to leave here bad rating or bad comment just to get your refund. Udemy offer here a 30 days money back guarantee. You can just simply go ahead and take your refund if you don't like this course. But believe me, once you go ahead with this course, you will definitely like this course, because there is so much to learn in this course. Let's go ahead and get started with this.